Bomba! That's trouble right. Give me a heaven, them.
God, I just gotta make it. Carolina kid, you know I gotta represent. Hoping God can save me, knowing what I'm doing is a sin. I don't need no help to get it. I don't need friends to the head. People hurt me, I'm scared, so I can get attached. Some people down, I get stressed, and I'm looking up there. And they used to tell me all this shit on my music track.
Alright guys, before the video starts, I want to address a few things what I know I'm not gonna mention. First of all, people are gonna ask where is his helmet. Guys, I do not know where his helmet is. I was going home the night and we just meet up on the road. No, we don't live too far from each other. Basically, we live in separate communities, so we're going in the same direction. So I don't want to hear anybody say, oh, I have a 200 a match up to me. Guys, this was all for fun. You see me, this wasn't a competition in particular, right? I'm all here for fun and safety, right? I don't know where his helmet is. You know, ask him that on yourself. The touch that I gave him on his shoulder, no, that did not distract him. He was fully focused. He was highly focused on the road, and that could not have, well, in this moment, he didn't lose focus from the slight touch. All right, so he was in no danger. Guys, we were not in danger, and we would not put ourselves in danger. If you know me not gonna do certain things for put myself in a danger. So even though we are riding on the road and there are cars on the road, we are, well, at least I am still practicing safety, right? So in all that you do, guys, always remember safety comes first. Watch the road, watch the traffic, and keep safe, but have a little fun at the same time. In addition, guys, yes, it is clear that my bike has the advantage, and why didn't I just go in front and just lead? Guys, that would not be fun for the video. You'd just be watching me nearing up road by myself. Basically, you would know what's taking place from his side. So I stayed at the back and I captured him on video, and see, you guys have a nice piece of video for watch because of this. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, guys.
Bomba! That's trouble right. I go film, man. Me I go film. Oh man! What? Give me a heaven, What is it, man? Heaven! Bomba, the bike nearly slided from me. have to hold some brake here. FMM. Ada urat yun! Ada flip siya! Hey! Kumabit ka! Oh, God! Ada five! Mbak, tidak gurun ni! Panim! Mbak! Wow! Jelus. No, trouble! Oh, no! FMM!
Carolina kid, you know I gotta represent. Hoping God can save me, knowing what I'm doing is a sin. I don't need no help, forget it, head out in the friend to the end. People hurt me and I'm scared, so I can get attached. Some people down, I get this cash and I'ma give it back. Yeah, they used to count me out and say all my music trash. I can get attached to nobody, I swear I'm through with that. New J's drip, heard you talking down and I got proof so you can save it. They all got opinions about me, I don't care, I'm shameless. They gon' ride like we ain't had no